Have you ever risked it all for a total stranger? Amidst the howling storm, a tiny cry for help. A fragile life, slipping away in the cold flood. He couldn't just walk away. Not tonight.
Fighting the freezing current, he stepped in.
Gotcha. I won't let you drown. Now, to find a safe haven. A dry spot. You are safe now.
Soaked to the bone, but his heart. Heroes don't wear capes. They just care.
If this touched your heart, please subscribe.